Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Pervez and I am the member of PQ Research and Development. Today I will tell you the sounds of letter. Letters are using all English words. All the basic need of sounds. Okay? When you have cleared the sounds of letter, then you can improve your accent. Okay? So it will be very helpful for improving your accent. Like first sound of S. Okay? We are pronunciate this letter like S. Okay? But we never think about it when you are saying like this word snake. Not snake. Sang or song. Okay, so we didn't pronounce the letter of S. Why you don't say like this a sang, a song? Because first we have a sound of S, so here is the sound of S, just S. Okay? If we have concept of sound of S, then we can find out the differentiate of the word and improve your accent. Like sang, snake, song. Okay? Just the sound of S. Okay? Sang, song, snake. Okay? So the next word is J. Here is the sound of J. We are just pronouncing like this J. J. A B C D E F G H E A B C D E F G H I J. J. So when you are pronouncing the word of jug, so why we don't use the sound of J? Jig. Jig. So here is the sound of J. In the sound of letters, improving your accent, it would be helpful like J. J. Okay? J. Then we can when we will use our pronunciation, our sounds in our words, then we can find out the differentiate in different letters. Okay? J. So J. You know, in the sounds recognition, note a sound of U. You know, the sound of U letter, we are saying like this word is U. So why we don't speak like this joke? Why? Here's a big question. So in Jollyphonic and in sounds, the pronunciation and the sound of U like just okay? So G, it's a sound of G. So here is a big question, why we are pronunciation like this G? Why? Question mark is here. But in the sound of letter of G, we can make the sound of G. Okay? G. Here is the sound of G. Then we can make the word of G. Jug. Okay? So we have to know about all these letters or other sounds. J, G. Then it can make the jug. Okay? Jug. And next one. Bat. A T. Bat. We have a sound of B, A, T. B, A and T. T, we are saying like this, bat. So in your accent behavior, we have to be use the sound of t. T, okay? B, t, bat. Like this, t, bat. T, cat. Okay? So you can do with the actions. It just depends on your practice. Okay? T, bat. T, cat. And clap. Here's a big question like clap. Here is the sound in our letters C. So why we are using a sound of K? Why? Here is a big question. Here is the sound of K. So why don't you use this word of K? Big question is here. Cause in sounds, the sound of C is K. Okay, like this. K. Then L. Why we are not using L? L. M. I don't know कैसा word बन जाता है ये. But next, in the sound of L, just L. You can come your tongue in between your teeth. L. Okay? L. A. The sound of A is A. Clap. And P. P. The sound of P just P. P. Okay? P. Then you can pronounce and build up our accent. Clap. Okay? Guys, be clapping. We can say like this, clapping. It's a typical sound. So, according to the sounds, we can, here is the basic need of improving accent. Clap. Okay? American and British language, they can learn from these sounds for improving their accent. Sounds just depend upon all these sections. We can build up our accent, and pronunciation also can make like clap and her sound, hand, H-A-N-D, not. Here is the sound of H, her. You can count out your breath like from your neck like her. N, not N. Why here is not sound of N? Hand. Just like this, no. H, N, okay? Just and D. Drum. Drum, not drum. Okay? D for drum. And here is also 4 sounds. Hand. Please give me your hand. So here is so many sounds we can find out from our further lectures like drum. D, R, A. U. Why we are not using here U? Drum. Why? Here is a big question also. So drum because U is a sound of A. Okay. Then we can say drum. M. Typical sounds. It's the 21st century. So it's 21st century. So we have to be move on and find out the simple all further sounds of all letters. And drum. And so many sounds. Is this one just single sound? T. Single sound. T. A. P. P. Tap. Map. P. Map. These are just single sound. Okay? And inshallah I will tell you tomorrow double sound. So many phrases of sounds. Inshallah you will learn a lot, and it would be very helpful for you for improving your accent when you are using in your conversation. statement with your sound, then you will feel in yourself you can improve yourself, you can improve your accent. Okay, so please be practice your conversation with the help of these sounds. Okay, and you can ask me any question about any sound in your audio clips and in your group form. You can ask me any question. I'm here for replying you. So thank you so much. Be practice for these sounds for improving your accent. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Pervez and I am the member of Peak Research and Development. Today I will tell you letters of double sounds. Okay, and this lecture would be going to be very helpful for you for improving your accent and pronunciation, your learning skills and English language, all these things. Like you can say all your 29th lectures, the conclusion of this last lecture. Okay, so how can you make the word, how can you make a statement, how can you pronounce the word, how can you improve your accent, how can you build up your confidence, all these things you can find out my today's lecture. Okay, so please listen to my all words carefully. First of all, if you have a statement of this is my book. Okay, sorry, is this missing? This is my book. You know, first of all, concept of first making statement. Okay, you have statement, object of your book. Okay, and sounds. This is my book. It's a typical sound. Not you can improve your accent. Where all these sounds hidden, all these letters. First sound, double sound, third. In British and American and Canada, all that language use all this accent, not the. We can say like the, not the. Here is the sound of the, this. Okay, you have to say this, s sound. And one more thing, big question in middle of this word, I. So why we are using this I letter in this word? Why you don't use this like this and this? It can also make the word of this. No. So it is a big question. Why we are using the letter of I in middle of this word? Because in Jollyphonic sounds, the pronunciation of sound of I, E, just E. Okay, sound of I is E, not I. Okay, so here is a concept of just a word of this, and next one is I. We can say eyes. Why we are not saying like this eyes? Because here is a sound of E. Then we can make the word is. Okay, and my, M. We have to say M and Y, sound of Y, and sound of and Y. Y is also a sound of I and E. Okay, my. Why we are not using the sound of Y? My. I don't know कैसा word बनता है, but concept, all word have so many concept. Like my, M and I. This can make the word of my. Not ma and Y. Y. Okay. And next one, book. Here is a concept of double sound here. B and double O. We have to use the word of double O sound. When the double sound of double capital same word letters comes in any word, when we have just wait for one little bit second. Book. Book, not book. Okay, book. It's just the basic of behind the purpose. All these things just improve your accent. Okay, book. You have to know the grip and concept about all these words. Book. Okay, and book. Here is the double sound and k sound. K, not K. 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 Okay, book. Now you can see this is my book. Okay, like this you can improve your accent and you can improve your pronunciation. Okay, and further use of you, double sound of you have a words of blue. Where is the sound of E in this word? Just the concept of E is silent. We have just this concept. E is silent in the word of blue. Why E is silent? Because here is the double sound of U. This sound is U. Single sound is A. And when E comes with this sound, then it can sound just U. Okay, so you can give to the other person the concept of E just or silent. Here is the concept of double sound of U. B, L, U, not E. We can't say like here are 4 letters B, L, U, E. But we can pronounce the just 3 letters B, L and U. U is double sound. Like and blue, flew. Big concept is also here. Flew. Not F. We are just reading like this F. Not here is not sound of F. Here is the sound of just L and double sound. We can pronounce like this W, why flew and this type of things I don't know. But here is the concept of double sound U. W is not silent. Here is a double sound. Double sound of U. Sound of EW is U. Then we can pronounce like this flew. Flew. Okay. And yellow. Yellow has also like this YELLOW. It is also double sound. Okay. OW is a double sound. UE, lie. LIE, double sound. I. Just letters are 3 but sound of lie. Okay, so we have so many words like this. Please, PLEASE. We can take your one or just two explanation of this word please. Why? Where is the sound of E and A? Why we can't pronounce like in this word place? Where is the sound of A? Where is the sound of E? Listen. P, L, E, A. Just the sound of E. Okay? Sound of E and S, E. Sound of S. Okay? So I just want to clear your concept. Every word, 44 letters have too many concepts. So when you want to improve your accent, so you have to be grip all simple letter concept. Okay, please and peach. Peach, P-E-A-C-H. Here is the sound of K and H. But when it comes with the double sound, here is the sound of Ch. Okay? Not C and H. Here is the sound of Ch. P-E-A, peach, and pearl. Okay, so many words have so many sounds. When you have grip about all these sounds, then you can improve your accent, then you can pronounce clearly your words. So please be practice about all these letters, about all these sounds, then improving your accent, it would be very helpful. Okay, you can ask me any letter, any sounds, anything from through your audio clip and your messages and your calls. I am just here for replying you. So please be practice with yourself for all these things. Okay, so thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.